In this one specific grocery store, somebody shouted at them and told them they need to pay for that. Fair enough. In another instance, the manager, this time it was not even the but it was the manager, who rushed to the customer, and the customer was already panicking and trying to clean up. The manager told them, "Relax, I'll sort this out. You continue with your shopping experience. You don't have to worry about this. Well, it's taken care of." That on its own changed. Yes, you can write it off as a loss. A bottle of mayonnaise might probably cost about 40 bucks. So $40. No, so on a spreadsheet, you'd register that as a minus, right?